Good evening, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us on this Sunday. We begin tonight with a massive storm system sweeping across much of the east. At least 9 people killed. More than 100 million Americans are under alerts for cold and snow. 8 people were killed after historic flooding in Kentucky, including a mother and her 7-year-old child. The governor is calling it one of the most serious weather events in a decade. This drone video captured the devastation. Entire communities submerged underwater. President Trump has already approved an emergency disaster declaration. Severe storms ripped through.
Look at some of this video here, Craig. This is out of Hazard, Kentucky. Just gives you an idea of some of the flooding that we've been dealing with from this. It was really bad yesterday. Kentucky-Tennessee border, I would say, got things especially bad when it came to the flooding.
Yeah, no kidding. Unfortunately, we lost one person in Kentucky, confirmed dead in Horse Creek. This was after getting...
Well, TikTok world, I've lived in this county for 48 years, and I've never seen the water like this. This is US 23.
From a flood overnight and people being trapped in their homes to an active blizzard. Yeah, tell me they're messing with the weather without telling me they're messing with the weather.
I'm up on high ground right now, but my heel is going. Y'all please pray. Oh, somebody's car is getting it.
Welcome back. The death toll keeps climbing from a weekend storm that caused widespread flooding. 11 people have died in the South. Some spots picked up 8 inches of rain. The hardest hit state was Kentucky. Hundreds of people were stranded by flooding and they had to be rescued. Governor Andy Beshear said most of the deaths, including a mother and a 7-year-old child, were caused by cars getting stuck in high water.
We've experienced